Welcome back. Kursare locals have opposed construction of compound wall for a school. They say the compound wall will hamper their religious activities within the school premises. Manager of the school committee B.G. Naik informed that this wall was compulsory for the safety of school children. He said if the opposition to the compound wall continues, then the government should take the responsibility of school students.
It's children's safety versus religious activity at Kuchade. Tension struck the school premises at Kuchade on Sunday over this issue. This is the Jan Utkarsh Shikshan Sanstha's educational complex in Kuchade. Around 600 students study in this school. In wake of the Vasco school rape case, the Sanstha decided to construct a school compound for safety of school children. But a few locals in the area said that the compound wall will hamper their religious activities.
हांगसर एक सर्क्युलर आयलो एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंटांतल्यान आनी त्या हेज प्रमाण ते कंपाउंड घालपाक सोदता हांगसर दुरीग घालपाक सोदता तेन्ना ते दुरीग घालपाक आमगेलो स्ट्रॉंग विरोध आसा कारण कित्याक तर ह्या वाठारांत आमचे होळी चलता जी वर्साची आमची होळयेचो हें आसता ह्या वाठाराक फुल्ल फेरे मारपाचे आसता 5 तशेंच आमची वार्षिक जात्रा आसता 2-3 देवळां आनी ह्या देवळां खातीर हो लुगार सोडले जाल्यार आमचे कडेन लुगार आनी येत ना आनी ह्या लुगाराचेर आमगेले सगळे सांस्कृतीक म्हण जावं आमगेले देवकार्य हे ते सगळ्यो गोश्टी ह्याच लुगाराचेर जाता.
आमच्या जन उत्कर्ष शिक्षण संस्थेन जी आमी जागा आमच्या गांवच्या लोकांनी जाणट्यांनी ही जागा तांकां बरी इस्कॉल जावचे म्हणून दिल्ली आनी तेजेर तेणी एन्करेजमेंट करीत आयज तें आमकां तेजे इस्कॉला पासून आमकां त्रास जावपाक लागल्यात.
The manager of the Sanstha, B.G. Naik, said if the opposition continued, government will have to take responsibility of the school students.
ते काही लोक गांवचे लोक म्हणतात की थंय आमगे धार्मीक एक्टिविटीज चलता आमी तेंगेली धार्मीक एक्टिविटीज ज्यो आसात ताका कसलोच अडथळो हाडपाक ना आनी त्या खातीर आमी बिल्डींग बांदता आसतनाच आमी तातूंत एक ताका एसेस तांकां दवरलेली आसा.
Reporter Mohun Bagan for Prudent.
Kolwa Gram Sabha witnessed chaos over the issue of illegal construction in the village. Panchayat's audit report was also placed before the Gram Sabha, which highlighted bad record of the Panchayat. Nonetheless, Sarpanch of Kolwa, Snokan Gonsalves, said he would clean up all the wrongdoings in the Panchayat.
See, I was not the Sarpanch at that time and it was a different body. So we will take utmost care to see this doesn't happen in the next audit report.
What about illegal constructions which the audit report speaks about?
They are all, most of the matters are in the High Court. Sorry, not in the additional director of Panchayat, and they have been still not decided.
A project by former Lotolim MLA Alexis Siqueira was also rejected at the Gram Sabha for having illegalities. People alleged that the project would destroy the natural source of water.
About Alex Siqueira's file now, because it has been rejected by the Gram Sabha. So we are going to take, they have decided that Panchayat file a case in the National Green Tribunal, New Delhi.
What was the project?
It was a hotel project where some irregularities have been done, and now they have told us to challenge it in front of National Green Tribunal and to file similar cases on the people who have issued licenses, that is Michael D'Souza and Town and Country Planning Department.
Reporter Pratik Parab for Prudent.
Congress has hit out at the BJP-led government for limiting public schemes to the workers of party in power. Congress spokesperson Sudeep Tamankar demanded that the Planning Commission of India and Union Finance Ministry should investigate into the enforcement of government schemes in Goa.
तर विशिष्ट जे सिलेक्टेड भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे पळय जे लोक आसा यांच्या पर्यंत स्किमी पावोवपाचे काम हे सरकार हांगासर योग्य तरेन करता. दुसरी गोष्ट म्हणजे जे सामान्य लोक आयज आसा त्यांची खूब अपेक्षा आसता की स्किमी मेळच्यो नोकऱ्यो मेळच्यो अशी खूब जाणांची अपेक्षा ह्या सरकारा कडसून आसली. पूण आयज खंय तरी ह्या सरकारान इलेक्शना आदी लोकांक वेगवेगळी आश्वासनां दिली आनी खंय तरी आयज सगळ्या लोकांचो जनतेचो विश्वासघात केल्लो आसा. कडसून जो पळय फंड घेतला प्लॅनिंग कमिशन ऑफ इंडिया हेंच्यांनी तो फंड जो ह्या गोंय सरकाराक दिल्लो आसा मागीर मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फायनान्स हांकां सगळ्यांक आमी एक रिप्रेझेंटेशन बरयलां आनी योग्य तरेन हो सगळो फंड जो पळय दिला सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटान तो योग्य तरेन वाटप तेजें जाता तो लोकां पर्यंत योग्य तरेन पावयला. स्किमी ज्यो ह्या फंडा अंतर्गत पळय ज्यो येता त्यो लोकां पर्यंत सामान्य जनते पर्यंत भेदभाव करिनासतना दिल्या काय ना हेची सगळी सखोल चवकशी करची.
Churchill Brothers will be crowned I-League champions if they hold Mohun Bagan to a draw on Tuesday evening at Vasco. Churchill are just a point away from becoming India's champion football club for the second time. Churchill face Mohun Bagan in a floodlit match at Tilak Maidan, where the 7,000 capacity stadium is expected to be full of local fans.
This venue should be full of vociferous fans of title favourites Churchill Brothers come Tuesday evening. The Varka-based club is just a point away from laying their hands on the coveted I-League championship. Churchill have played some sensational football this season and, being the most consistent of the 14 teams in the league, find themselves within sniffing distance of the title. The men in red have also ground out important results along the way and quite deservingly should walk away with the title on Tuesday itself. With 2 matches to go, Churchill can also afford to suffer a setback against Mohun Bagan on Tuesday, as they are scheduled to meet relegated Air India on Sunday. However, with Mohun Bagan left with nothing to play for, it is unlikely that the Kolkata Giants would stop Churchill from getting a result. Churchill had won their maiden championship in the 2008-2009 season under Serbian coach Zoran Djordjevic. This will be Churchill's second I-League title, and it comes as a result of fine teamwork, especially with the experience of technical director Subhash Bomvik being at the helm of the affairs. Bureau Report, Prudent.
If you missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.